Send me to tell him. Oh yeah. Okay. You going first or me?
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't know.
It's not coming out.
I get a big one every...
A few sips or so.
Yeah. Give it a moment.
I can't believe I've deleted the one with the freaking bottle of Dr. Pepper I had. I had like a 2 liter and I drank it and like I freaking videotaped it.
Oh my god.
And I fucking deleted it by accident because I didn't want my sister seeing it, like saying that I'm like such a fucking guy. Because it was on Christmas, I think, or Thanksgiving.
You should put it on mine first, then delete it.
Yeah, I know. Ow. Oh my god. Okay. They're not coming out as like loud and big as I want them to. Last one, I did one last night. It was just water. It was fucking louder than that. It was gross.
No. Not quite yet.
Oh. Ow. I have sunburn on. Oh no.
Ooh.
Oh, I'm trying to get whatever's left over. There it was. Not loud, but.
Feels good.
Some feels a little bit better after that one. I want you to drink just in case.
Swallow air.
You have to swallow it. Why don't you just suck in?
What?
Why don't you just suck in instead of swallow? Your face on that one. Oh my. I got tanner, don't you see? Look how tan I got. Shut up!
I haven't even been to the beach yet.
That's
You
not
should
fair.
see it when I come back from the beach. It's unbelievable.
What, you like turn black?
I'm like this.
Are you really?
Not quite this, but yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I hate you. I work so hard on my tan.
I don't even do anything. I go swimming, and I come back. I'm like
I lay out in
like
the
that
beach.
boot right there.
I lay out in the beach for like 2.5 hours. I get major sunburn, and my back is peeling.
That's beautiful. That's fine.
Ow! I didn't finish. It won't come
You're gonna
out.
throw up.
No, it won't come out. I'm trying to like let it come out, and it's not staying there. Good.
That's pretty good.
That relieved stomach pressure. I think mine was a little bit better.
Yeah.
Okay, after I was done like toasting something this morning for like breakfast, and I forgot the tray was hot, so I grabbed it with my hand
Smooth.
and I burned my fingers.
Way to go.
It hurt.
Really hurt, Charlie.
It really hurt, Charlie. Ah! Oh! Ow! Charlie! Ow! Charlie bit me! Ah, that hurts him. Right, so. Yeah, I haven't watched that video in like a long time. Hold on.
God damn it. I'm better than this. You know.
Still haven't lost it. Yay me! Ah! Remember Grr. Rar. Ah. Yeesh. Blub 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 blub. Whoa. That wasn't me!
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.